Away we go then.
Up to speed.
Endboss gets underneath first and shredding the bottom of Frenzy.
Yeah.
Can Frenzy manoeuvre around the arena properly now that the bottom has been compromised?
Yeah, some very good initial engagements here. The gyroscopic forces, no one wants to ramp down their weapons. They want them at full power, and it's causing a lot.
Frenzy has recovered that, and that's a huge impact on Endboss. Endboss recovers somewhat, but the weapon bar has come out of Frenzy. The weapon bar has completely come out.
Yeah.
That has massively limited them, but I think Endboss was struggling on one side. It's okay now. But Frenzy, oh my goodness, there goes the weapon of Frenzy.
Yeah, Frenzy's not out of it, to be fair, is not tapping out, still giving it a go. But Endboss is definitely taking a bit more advantage now.
Endboss trying to guide Frenzy towards the pit. Can he get it down? Not quite.
Yeah,
Good recovery from Frenzy.
Still has pushing power if it can get under just the right angle. This is not over yet.
Not at all. Endboss has got the main threat out of the way, though. That's the main thing. That weapon of Endboss is also definitely not straight anymore. It's a little bit warped.
No, but I think maybe keeping it at a lower speed to control the gyro a bit more, now that it doesn't need to eliminate a weapon.
It has also lost the side of drive look. It's kind of pulling to one side. Another great shot there on Frenzy. Still operating pretty happily, actually, isn't it, Frenzy? Considering all the damage it's taken.
Well, really, it's only to the front and to the weapon bar's, you know, bulkhead. So, electronically,
almost down, but not quite. Oh, a huge impact, but still okay, Frenzy.
Yeah.
The amount of punishment it's taken is incredible. It's still running happily, but more damage sustained by Frenzy, and more, and still running. Only 9 seconds on the clock. Can it get away? No. Endboss, the champ.